Hi, I'm Bob Allison with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me Router Bob. It's time for another Router Bob out and about trip to Summit, Illinois to visit Mitchell Huner at Fire Maul Tools. Let's take a look at how this Chicago firefighter has been able to integrate his ShopSabre IS408 into his manufacturing process.
We had to figure out how to make these things. Oh, I was doing good. Do our own shape. I'll start. I was getting there. I was close. I could start over on that one. I think I touched my mic too. So I've been a fireman for the last 17 years. Last 8 years right here in Chicago, working for CFD. About 5 years ago, I started developing a tool for the fire service. So a maul for the fire service. I actually preferred using a maul on the roof for roof work because typical splitting maul, we'd call it, because it had a striking side and a bladed side, but it wasn't really geared towards firefighting. So I set out to develop really the industry first Fire Maul, so that's the name of the tool, the Fire Maul. It was developed for us. And when we ended up going into manufacturing, did some pre-orders and went into manufacturing on the tool, we made that tool without it being really, without it having a standard handle size. We had a custom handle on there. And we had to find manufacturers to be willing to make it and not make it in runs of 5,000 at a time. So we had a smaller run volume, and we had difficulties finding manufacturers that could do that at a decent price and then also really hold the tolerances we needed. So we started looking at the capabilities we needed in a CNC machine. We actually talked to a lot of manufacturers. We had a lot of sales reps call us, and we were just looking at capabilities. One of the things we needed, though, was you want to dive into a big 5x10 or a big 4x8 initially. I've been a fireman my whole life, so buying a manufacturing machine was kind of intimidating. But we really saw enough videos, Router Bob videos. We knew we had the capabilities in a CNC machine to 3D carve handles. We don't really see anybody else doing it, but we knew the capabilities were there. After talking to ShopSabre and speaking with them about the size of machine that we could get, we found out we could actually get the smaller ShopSabre 23 to start off kind of small, just to, in true fireman fashion, and adapt, overcome, just buy the machine, and let's get this thing going. We'll figure it out when we get there. Another one of the things with ShopSabre that really drew us to their company is that it's made here in the USA. Everything we do here at Fire Maul, everything is made in the USA. That's a big part of our motivation and what we want in products. So obviously we're going to buy our products that are made in the USA as well. So one of the benefits of working with ShopSabre and allowing us to get that smaller machine initially, we didn't even have the floor space for a bigger machine, but we knew we could get the ShopSabre 23 with that upgraded spindle, with the smaller space. And when that machine arrived, we were literally up and running within a day. Machine arrived, we got it hooked up, and we were able to cut day one. We ended up fine-tuning some of our dust control and those sorts of things, and then working through the process of 3D carving handles. Initially, we had hold-down clamps, those sorts of things. That process took a little while, but the software itself was never the issue. The Vectric software was awesome to work with, and we could basically model up a handle, any size handle we wanted, and that same day start carving it. As we grew, though, more and more people started ordering handles. We started fine-tuning the custom size handles we had and the options you could pick, and really started to grow our business. We realized that not only was our space too small, but our machine was too small as well. We proved that we had the capabilities of doing it, and now it was time for us to grow. So we actually bought a new building and then bought the machine behind us here, the ShopSabre IS408, which was obviously the choice we were going to go with. Stick with ShopSabre. It worked so well for us before. Now we just wanted to increase our capabilities. With the machine behind us, we were actually able to get the bigger bed. Obviously a lot more horsepower in the machine to be able to knock out these handles, use bigger bits on it so we could carve more at a time, and then just increase efficiency. The automatic tool change has been a life changer for us. Instead of having to change bits individually each time, you can program the machine, start on the top side of a handle and just let it go, and it'll run through. The spoil board we have to use, we were actually able to custom manufacture our own spoil boards in-house as we really perfected the way of 3D carving these handles, having to flip them over, keep them centered. Without this machine, you know, you'd have to have that custom made somewhere else, and it's just been awesome. The other thing that we do here is our custom dust boot. We're able to cut our custom dust boot on this machine. One of the things we run into with 3D carving handles, you just have these deep 3D carving, you know, Z movements and getting into the wood quite a bit. So we had to actually custom develop that dust boot, which we use today. And I just think it goes to saying that any moment, any time, your machine really could increase your capabilities and change your product offerings if you really wanted to. There's really no limit to what the machine can do. And one of the biggest benefits of the machine is it really is one of my best employees. I could run it all day, nonstop, and it's gonna do exactly what you asked it to do. Fire Maul Tools is a firefighter-owned company. We make tools for firemen, obviously. This machine, though, what the really cool thing is about the machine we're getting ready to do is actually make axe handles for anybody. So custom-made axe handles, custom throwing axe handles, custom-made plaques, those sorts of things. This machine allows us to do that, and that is something that nobody else in the country is doing right now. To be able to actually have somebody bring me an axe head and go, hey, I need a handle made for this. I can custom model you an axe handle and in one day have that thing cut on a machine. Other than having somebody hand make and hand carve you a handle, which tends to be, you know, fairly expensive, this machine allows us to do that. So I wouldn't be surprised, actually, as demand increases, we have another one of these IS408s right here in the shop, you know, having two of them run at the same time just to increase efficiency and keep up with demand. If you are thinking about getting a CNC, one of the things to acknowledge on these machines is repeatability and dependability. The tolerances they can hold are awesome. They're gonna do exactly what you tell it to do, and they're gonna do it the same every time. So it really makes sense if you are in any sort of woodworking, whether it's cabinetry, you know, 3D modeling, doing plaques, those sorts of things. This thing is dialed in and it's gonna do exactly what you want it to. Why go with a ShopSabre? Well, we personally went with them, again, made in the USA, but the other thing we see in the forums, you know, not just from ShopSabre, is their customer service. You know, they're in the same time zone. You can just call up there, you'll get somebody on the line within 5 minutes, and they'll be able to help you out with whatever it is, whether it's just running the program you're trying to run. The guys are experts over there, and they take the time to make sure you are really taken care of. So that's the biggest reason why we went with ShopSabre, and the price point definitely helped as well. These machines are fully capable and they're priced right. If you were to look into getting a ShopSabre, my recommendation though is to make sure you know what you want it to do. Take the time to make sure that machine is set up for you. They have the capabilities of doing that. You can discuss with them what you're trying to actually accomplish, and maybe I want some more T-slots on it. You know, maybe it's what size bed change you need, those sorts of things. If you want to go phenolic top or maybe just MDF, but they are there to help you out and get your machine made exactly right for you. Overall, we are extremely satisfied with the ShopSabre IS408. This machine has done everything we asked it to do, and it continues to do that every day. So if you're looking to get a machine, definitely go with ShopSabre. The other thing is, if you're looking for a custom axe handle, make sure you give Fire Maul Tools a call.
What a great ShopSabre success story. Mitchell was able to identify a product need based on his firefighting experience and turn that idea into a successful company with the help of a ShopSabre IS408 CNC router. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you need more information, you can contact us at shopsabre.com. Thank you for watching.